Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we are doing Set It Off, okay? It's a 2-wall dance. You're going to do it on the front wall and the back wall, and it's 5 counts of 8. All right, so let's get started. So turning my back to make it easier to follow. All right, this is my right, this is my left. First count of 8 are the side steps. All right, you're going to start to the right and you're going to do them to the left. So it starts right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, the count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, first count of 8. Right, second count of 8. Guess what? Yes, same thing. Okay, so you do that, you repeat for the second count of 8. So let's do all two counts of 8 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 right, left. Okay, first 2 count of 8, done. Third count of 8 is some footwork. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, step front, or tap it front, and then you tap it to the side, and then it's 3 counts. You're making a quarter turn, okay? You're going to do it in 3 counts, starting with the right. So right, left, right, okay? Cha, 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 3 counts. And then you're going to repeat it on the left foot. Left front, then left side, and in 3 steps, starting with the left foot to go back, quarter turn to back to the front wall. So left, right, left. Okay, so what we just do, we tap front and then side, and then we turn 1, 2, 3, and then tap front, tap side, turn 1, 2, 3. So the count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so all 3 counts of 8, the first 3 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tap front, side, 3 and 4, tap front, side, 7 and 8. All right? All right, fourth count of 8 are going to be our pivot half turns, right? And our half turns are going to be from side to side, okay? So even though we're facing front, the next series of turns are going to be on this side and that side. So how do we get there? We just came out of front, side, 1, 2, 3. We're facing forward. We're going to pick up that right foot. You can kind of cheat a little bit coming out that last step, but pick up that right foot, step to the left, step forward with it, pivot turn, half turn to the other side, pick that back foot up, place it forward for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a cha cha cha. Repeat it on the left. Pick that left foot up, step forward, turn, half turn, pick that same left foot up, forward, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is how it looks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, turn left, right forward, 1, 2, 3. Step left, turn right, left forward, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you have a fan, you can use it on this part too. All right, you step 1, step 2, pop that fan. 5, step 6, pop that fan. Okay, from here. So let's put all 4 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Front, side, 3 and 4, front, side, 7 and 8. Now step and turn, 3 and 4, step and turn, 7, and 8. Okay? See that we're still on the sides. The fifth count of 8 is a rock and turn, half turn. So we're going to pick up that right foot that's in the back, step it forward, rock, then back, and then we're stepping back over our right shoulder for our half turn with it for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we repeat it with the left. Rock left, and then back, turn over the back, turn over the left shoulder, turning back for 3 counts. Left, right, left. Okay? So it's rock up, then back, turn 1, 2, 3, rock up and back, turn 1, 2, 3. Still on the sides, okay? And that ends the dance, all right? Now to start it over onto the back wall, you just pick up that right foot and start with the first count of 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's how the dance starts over, okay? So that's it. That's it. All right. So let's do all 5 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, side, 3 and 4. Front, side, 7 and 8. Front, turn, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, rock it, back, 4, back, 7 and 8, and start over. Okay, that's it, guys. That is Set It Off line dance. So hopefully this was helpful for you. It's coming up. I can feel it. All right, this dance is going to be out there. All right, so now, if you like this, if this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.